Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 minus sin x on numerator and denominator. This one that is about identity, so you can get about 1 minus sin x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we put sin x squared go to the right. And you got about 1 minus sin x squared. So we need to change this one into cosine x squared. Now, sin x multiplied by number 1 and sin x. And we have negative sin x squared. So, about sin x squared, we know that we can apply the same formula in here, but this one is about sin x squared, this one is about cosine x squared. So we have 1 minus cosine x squared. Next, we need to open parentheses. Now, sin x divided by cosine x squared, number 1 divided by cosine x squared, and cosine x squared divided by cosine x squared. So this one that is about secant of x squared. The integration of secant of x squared, you got about negative tan x, number 1 that's about x. Now we just concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. You got about negative sin x dx. Later that we put the negative go to the left, and you got about negative du equals to sin x dx. So this one you got about u squared. Sin x dx we change by negative du. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine x, and we put about capital C. Now, we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.